Deep in the heart of an uncharted forest lies the lost capital of a once mighty empire, a place erased from ancient maps and forgotten by time. This hidden city, with its towering monuments and intricate streets, was once alive with bustling markets and vibrant culture, but now it silently waits for rediscovery. As explorers venture deeper into these ruins, they begin to uncover evidence of a civilization that thrived here, leaving behind stories etched in stone. Each discovery brings new insights into the lost capital's history, revealing the rise and fall of an empire that shaped the world as we know it. With every layer unearthed, the narrative of the empire becomes clearer, telling tales of prosperity, conquests, and ultimately a mysterious decline. As the story unfolds, scholars and enthusiasts alike gather to learn about this remarkable civilization, igniting passions for history and adventure. The echoes of the past come alive as enthusiasts breathe life into the lost capital, allowing imaginations to wander through its once bustling streets. In the stillness of the night, the secrets of the hidden chambers beckon, promising revelations that could rewrite history. As each artifact is meticulously examined, a clearer picture emerges of the daily lives, beliefs, and traditions that shape the vibrant world of this lost empire. With renewed determination, the team presses on, fueled by the thrill of exploration and the promise of unlocking the mysteries that still lie beneath the ancient stones. As discoveries continue to captivate hearts and minds, the legacy of the lost capital inspires a new generation to cherish and protect the stories of the past. Plans are set in motion for further exploration, ensuring that the echoes of this ancient civilization will resound through time, captivating those who seek to uncover its story. With each passing day, the chronicles of the lost capital become more accessible as scholars share their findings with the world, weaving a narrative filled with wonder and discovery.